guys, welcome to my channel, Crown of Glory here. My name is Daveenah and today I have a very special tutorial on zigzag part box braids. So I just thought that this would be a cool addition to regular traditional box braids. Add a little fun, funky spice to your hair, like to change it up a little bit by adding zigzag parts. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned.
Okay, so you want to start off with blow dried hair or stretched hair, and then you're going to start doing your zigzags. So I like to use a metal tip comb, and I just go from up, down, up, down. I'll do it in that motion, so you'll see me doing that. I'll let you guys just look at this. And also I'll use jam in this video to hold her hair and, to braid, make the braids look nice and neat. But you'll see me go up, down, and if I'm not satisfied with the part, then I will go back in and do the part. And I also have other clips with me showing you guys how to do it up close, so you'll see different angles of me doing this, so you could get a good idea of how to do the zigzag parts. Also, you guys, I'm using xpression braiding here, and I cut this in half and feathered the ends, and I'm using the color burgundy. On the package it says BG. And you're going to braid all the way down to the end like normal box braids. So you'll see me, well, you kind of see me braid all the way down to the ends. I'm braiding all the way down to the very ends. And I'm going to repeat this whole method throughout the whole head. Okay, so here I'm going over my outline, just making sure that the parts are nice and crisp and that the part is to my liking. So I already have the zigzag outline, but I'm just going to freshen it up. So You'll see me just go over it to my liking, making sure it's nice and crisp and defined, and that the shape is the way I like it. Okay, so I have another angle for you guys, which you could see even better. You could see it up close, so you can see how the zigzags look. You could also see me part it even better. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing the same motions I told you, up, down, or down, up, and the way I would like. So I'm just showing you how I like to do it. You could do however you like with the zigzags, but of course you have to go up, down, but you know, get it to your liking. So I'm doing medium parts for the zigzags, and I just really love this. It's so cool. Okay guys, I'm going to finish up this last braid and I'll come back to show you guys when I have 2 left. Okay, I am at the very top of the head and I left this to show you guys yeah, further in depth. So I'm just going to unravel that braid that I did and I'm going to part it in the middle of that section, making a little zigzag. It's very small, but it's still a zigzag. And then I'm going to braid that section, divide into 2, zigzag it, and do 2 braids. And I'm going to be using just regular 1B here. So I'm going to use my jam as usual for the hair. You could use jam or edge control, beeswax, anything like that, or even gel, but I don't really like to use gel. I prefer stuff with more hold, like that's a little bit more firmer, I should say. So I'm using that and I'm just going to braid her hair down as usual. Just braid it down in a normal box braid. You braid however you feel comfortable braiding your box braids. But yeah, this is just how I braid. So you can see how I start off. Okay, so I finished the braids and now I'm going to go over the hair with scissors to get away any flyaways hair. So I always do this when I do box braids. I clip the little hairs that's sticking out. It's kind of tedious, but it's worth it. And here are the final results. As you can see the beautiful zigzags. I'm showing you guys different angles, different clips, so you could get a good idea of how the box braids would look. And I would recommend this style for anybody that's youthful, like high school, early 20s, that kind of age group. It's really cute and fun and stylish and modern. So I would like it for people that's like, you know, in those age groups. And I just love this. It's just so pretty to me. You guys, let me know what you think about these. Do you like these? Okay, that is it, you guys. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the bloopers.
Hi guys and welcome to okay. Hi guys, it's Daveenah here and welcome to my channel Crown of Glory here. Today I have a very special video. Okay, I gotta do that over.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and also share this with someone. Bye bye.